Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a very exciting home listing tour. Property we're at today is 7953 Catbird Court. This is a beautiful property located in a cul-de-sac in the Mesa Ridge subdivision, so you've got super easy access to Fort Carson, right along that Fountain Mesa shopping corridor with really easy access, and you've got beautiful new homes and great floor plans throughout this neighborhood. This property's got a great 3-car garage on the outside. It's got great curb appeal with a wide parking space in front. You've got stone accents, and you've got a beautiful 2-story floor plan with over 3,300 total square feet and over 2,200 of it being finished. As you enter the home, you've got great hardwood floors that greet you upon entry, and you've got soaring ceilings that greet you upon entry as well. Right off the fantastic formal living room space, you've got a great office with double French doors. And this is a really great space with the hardwood floors continuing throughout that feature just a great office space and an excellent playroom as well for the kids. As you come into the kitchen area, you've got a fantastic kitchen with a center island, stainless steel appliances, great Formica countertops, a stainless steel sink, tons of prep space, tons of cabinet space. Open to the kitchen, you've got a great dining space that walks out to the backyard. You've also opened to an awesome family room as well. Family room's got a beautiful stone-clad gas fireplace, ceiling fan, lots of natural light, and a half-wall divider that gives you a great separation and easy furniture placement. Backyard that the dining room walks out to is fully landscaped, really nicely done. It's got air conditioning, it's got gardening beds, fully fenced with an automatic sprinkler system set up as well. What's really special about this property is you've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, so you've got really spacious secondary bedrooms. You've got a full secondary bathroom as well upstairs that offers double vanity sinks and a great tub shower combo. Master suite has fantastic ceiling fan, big walk-in closet, and a 5-piece attached bath as well with double vanity sinks, garden tub, and separate shower. This home also has an 1,100 square foot plus unfinished basement, so it gives you plenty of room to grow as well. This is 7953 Catbird Court. Beautiful property. As with all my properties, it does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. Again, you've got 4 bedrooms plus a main level office plus an 1,100 square foot unfinished basement with room to grow. You've got 3 bathrooms, and you've got a great 3-car garage as well. So this is a fantastic property coming on the market at $325,000. If you'd like more information about this home, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Or for more information, you can also visit my website at www.makespringshome.com. Thanks so much.